everybody. So glad you could join me today. And I'm happy to share with you my 2019 Sugar Plum Dolls newsletter. By the way, this is the video version of the newsletter, and it's going to be very, very special. So, as you know, I primarily focus on DIY arts and crafts. And I'm here to inspire you all for 2019 with some great options for arts and crafts projects. I wanted to share with you, first of all, my vision, mission, and values. And keep in mind, I'm a real person, not a robot, not a fake made-up person, but someone who loves to craft and share the knowledge of crafting. Crafting makes me feel so happy. And my vision is to inspire everyone to explore and embrace their creative spirit. My mission of Sugar Plum Dolls? I want to be the premier DIY, do-it-yourself arts and crafts web destination. You're not going to find anything but good news here, positive vibes, 24/7. I want you to visit and get your daily dose of arts and crafts projects, ideas, recipes, and inspiration. Come here and get your daily fix of creating smiles for yourself. Smiles, friends, for your friends, family, and loved ones, and even the random people you meet on the highway of life. I want you to share with those who also visit love and encouragement on your projects and ideas. I promise, this will be a welcome retreat from your day-to-day hustle. My values. The values here for Sugar Plum is to foster a collective environment of collaboration. And in order to develop a great online community, I invite you to post your questions in the comment sections, and I'll do my best to respond within a day or two or so. So, with so much going on in the world today, arts and crafts, cooking, baking, sewing, etc. can keep you away from the TV, the text alerts, and much more. For 2019, it's time to turn off the electronics and make something. Make something pretty. Make something fun. Make something tasty. And then share it with friends and loved ones or random strangers. Well, be careful with random strangers. My holiday decompression guide anti-anxiety project was to create the perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. And I did, and they were great. And don't worry, I'll send you the recipe in my next newsletter. That's why you got to make sure you sign up for my mailing list. Some ideas that you can try. And we're going to do these things this year in 2019 together. Join a crochet group. Not only can group membership help you improve your skills, you can also make some new friends and help keep you from feeling anxious. Journaling. And I was reading something on the internet about journaling, and that goes back a long, long way. Having a cookie party. Bake and decorate a cake. Color in an adult coloring book. Paint a picture. Make a spring wreath for your door or for someone else's. Create a seasonal centerpiece. See the flowers? Sew something. Do something. Make something. And all of the ideas that I presented today, I'm going to show you how to do them in 2019. Now, some of them are already on the website, and hopefully we can you'll feel better for 2019, and from basic to beginner to advanced projects. There's going to be a project here at Sugar Plum Dolls that you're going to love. That's going to help chase the blues away, or hey, just for fun. So let's get started.